now we will be preparing for the next one.
As winter sets in, war intensifies. Sub-zero temperatures and frozen, stone-hard soil pose tough challenges for soldiers. However, amidst these brutal conditions, Ukrainian soldiers are confronted with an even greater challenge: the relentless advance of Russian forces from multiple directions across the front line. In the rapidly changing course of the war, the Bakhmut region remains one of the toughest directions, as Russians are trying to reclaim the territories they lost this summer.
How's it going? Do you have some work to do? Yeah, a little. How's the vehicle? Is it working well? Yeah, all good.
It took us about 20 minutes and 1,500 meters to reach this position, and now we have a couple minutes to catch our breath, and then we will start working with the Krab, Polish self-propelled howitzer. So far, this exact unit have hit the Russian BMP. Ваша Саушка, вона вже пройшла одну зиму точно, напевно. Як вона себе показує в таких суворих умовах?
It's quite good. The system is reliable and works well. There are some challenges, but the guys already know how to handle them. It has heating inside, so they can work in comfort. Overall, we're happy with it. The guys lay some blankets here, carry mats. When they work, they roll them up.
Слухай, ну неможливо не помітити той затишок і та бережність, з якою відноситись до техніки. Це твоя ініціатива, чи це взагалі поширена практика?
It's the whole crew's idea. This is our home, and we treat it accordingly.
Скажи, ось зараз така дуже напружена обстановка. Як, скільки за день ви можете там відстріляти снарядів?
It depends.
Наприклад, сьогодні.
It depends on how much we have available.
Ви відчуваєте там певну нестачу?
Yeah, would be great to have more.
Сьогодні у нас
Today we only had one target.
Ми працювали по техніці.
Here's the gunner's seat. This is his control unit. Everything is switched on over there. The barrel is raised automatically, as well as the magazines. You can press these buttons and the system starts. The loader also has a control panel. Using these buttons, he sets the projectile here and rolls it out. The projectile lands on the tipping arm. We then throw it onto the charging tray and send it to the barrel.
Currently, only a few brigades have access to modern Western equipment, while the majority must rely on outdated Soviet-made weapons. This artillery unit is operating a 2S3 Akatsiya self-propelled howitzer, which is over 40 years old. Due to its limited off-road speed of 45 km per hour, it is a vulnerable target for drones and therefore is mainly used as a stationary howitzer.
This is a check machine. Just a month ago we got it back because we had to fix the engine and the gearbox.
Такий ремонт, що там робили мотори, робили коробку, бо вона була перестала їхати у нас. І ми її забрали буквально місяць тому з ремонту.
When using howitzers, each gun is designed to cover a specific area on the battlefield. These areas are also called squares. Even though there is an enemy target close to their assigned square, soldiers must wait until the enemy enters their square, as the 2S3 is not able to quickly move and fire. So they must remain stationary and wait until the enemy enters their designated area.
That's why I say we need more Western equipment, like Krabs or German PZH. They have a greater shooting range and they can reach the firing position faster, fire and leave.
Їхати, відставлятися і тільки сховатися, заїхати.
When we arrived to the position, the mood was a little bit down because guys were waiting for the command to fire, and now shot after shot, This unit is working in the direction of Bakhmut. And I guess now we will be preparing for the next one.
First of all, I would like to thank our partners for their help. If it wasn't for them, it would be much, much harder for us. But it would be great to have a little bit more ammo, more weapons. My vehicle was made in 1986. It should have been disposed of by now, but we still managed to fight with it somehow.
Мала бути давно списана, ми на ній ще трошки щось воюємо.